Hello, everyone. Welcome to our sanctuary of wisdom. Do you ever feel like you are running a race that never ends? You have goals, you have dreams, but you feel exhausted and empty inside. Today's story is special. It's not just a tale, it's a mirror to your life. While you listen to this 5-minute journey, you will naturally pick up advanced English vocabulary and phrases. We believe that when you learn with emotion, you remember for a lifetime. Stay with us until the end, because the final lesson will change how you wake up tomorrow morning. Let's begin. In a quiet village near the mountains lived a young man named Aryan. Aryan was hardworking and intelligent. He had a good job, a beautiful house, and a supportive family. But Aryan had a problem. He was never satisfied. He always wanted more. He believed that happiness was something you buy or achieve. He was constantly stressed, shouting at his workers and ignoring his family. One day, an old monk visited the village. People said the monk carried a magic jar that could show someone their true self. Aryan, curious and desperate for peace, went to meet him. "Master," Aryan said, "I have everything, but I am not happy. I feel like my heart is a jar with a hole in the bottom. No matter how much I put in, it stays empty." The monk smiled and handed Aryan an empty clay jar. "Fill this with water from the river," the monk said. "But there is a condition. You must walk slowly and notice everything around you. If you spill a single drop, you must start again." Aryan took the jar to the river. He filled it to the brim. On his way back, he was so careful. He saw the way the sunlight danced on the water. He noticed a small child helping an old woman. He heard the rustling of leaves and the distant sound of a flute. For the first time in years, Aryan wasn't thinking about his business or his bank balance. He was just there. When he reached the monk, the jar was full. "Now," the monk said, "empty the jar." Aryan was shocked. "But I worked so hard to fill it." The monk replied, "Life is like this jar, Aryan. You spend your whole life trying to fill it with money, fame, and success. But you forget that the beauty of the jar is not what is inside, but the space it creates to hold experiences. If you are too afraid of losing what's inside, you will never see the world around you. True happiness is not in filling the jar, but in being present while you carry it." Aryan realized that his hole in the heart wasn't because he lacked something, but because he was too busy looking inside the jar instead of looking at the path he was walking. He learned that happiness is a state of mind, not a trophy to be won. Aryan's journey teaches us that we often miss life because we are too busy preparing for it. Happiness is right here, in this moment, in this breath. I hope this story inspired you and helped you understand some complex English emotions. Language is the bridge to the soul. If you found value in this story, please share it with someone who is struggling to find peace. Subscribe to our channel for more such wisdom-filled stories. Keep learning, keep growing, and most importantly, keep smiling. Until next time.